Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss difference between test cross and back cross. So, test cross it is defined as cross between F1 hybrid and its recessive parent, whereas in back cross the cross between F1 hybrid and any of its parents, it may be dominant or recessive. And another difference is all test crosses are back crosses, whereas all back crosses are not test crosses. Here, it produces equal proportion of both characters, both dominant and recessive characters, whereas when we cross here with one of the dominant parent, all the offsprings are dominant. If we cross with recessive parent, it is same as test cross. Here, it is used to understand the law of segregation or purity of gametes. Here, it is used to verify the law of inheritance. So, let us study in detail with an example. For example, color of a flower. It is for test cross. Here, for the red color, both alleles are capital P and capital P. It is dominant. Whereas in blue flower, capital P, and small p, it is recessive. When we cross this both, we will get capital P and small p. It is also dominant. With plant with flower with red color flowers. So now when we cross this F1 hybrid with its recessive parent, here the recessive parent is blue flower. So capital P, small p, small p, small p. So we get capital P and small p and small p, capital P and small p, here small p and small p. These both are dominant. Here it is recessive. So these two are blue color flowers, whereas these two are red color flowers. As I have already mentioned that it will produce equal proportion of both characters, that is both dominant and recessive. So we can see here that equal proportion. So both two are dominant and two are recessive. When we come to back cross, here we can take another example. For example, related to height, capital T crossed with small t and small t. As we know that this is dominant and it is recessive. We get the result of capital T and small t, which is F1 hybrid, and this is also tall and dominant. So in case of back cross, we can cross with any of its parents. It may be with dominant parent or it may be with recessive parent. So for example, if we cross with dominant parent, capital T and capital T, it is crossed with this F1 hybrid, capital T and small t. So we get the result of capital T, small t, small t. So here all are dominant. As I already mentioned that here when we cross with dominant parent, all offsprings are of dominant. So when we cross with recessive parent, this cross is similar to as test cross. this is the difference between the test cross and back cross. Thank you.